Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and we are going to be showing you how to make peppermint oil. So obviously you have to have peppermint, a bowl full. Then you also have to have some vegetable oil. Need something to mash it. 2 mason jars and lids. So you're going to want to half the bowl. Take like about a half of the bowl. And you only want to have like the green parts, like the leaves and the stems. You don't want to have like the wooden parts. So take a mason jar. You start to put the peppermint oil in. You get your carrier oil, which I tried olive oil, but it sort of overpowered the mint, so I'm going to try vegetable oil. So you just want to put a little bit in with the mint that you put in. Like you don't want to put like a jar full and then load the mint in. You just want it slightly covering the mint. Then you use your thing to mash it, so then the peppermint oils are released into the vegetable oil or carrier oil, whatever you're using. Then you just really repeat this process. And peppermint oil is good for a lot of things. Like it's medicinal. You could use it as a hair oil. It's good for dry skin. Also, this is how you make pretty much a bunch of other oils, like lavender oil. Okay, so when you're done with mashing and putting the peppermint in the jar, you're gonna wanna take your lid. You're just gonna wanna put it on like this. Shake it around. Then, you're gonna wanna take it outside. Then you just want to put it in like a hot area or a sunny area. Then you wait a day, and then we're going to do the next step. Off the peppermint oil. So the peppermint oil that you kept out in the sun for a day, you're going to have to transfer it into a new mason jar with a filter or strainer. So then you could put the other leaves you saved in the other jar. So I want to pour a little in at a time, and it'll slowly drip. And it'll be slowly dripping. So once it's done, we're going to be back. So hello everybody and welcome back. And I drained all the oil from this cup, so only the leaves are left. So you can throw this out, all the leaves. And then here's the oil. So the other half of the bowl of peppermint, we're just going to put the whole thing in. Then we're going to mush it up. So we mushed it up good. So then we're just gonna put the lid on. And then we're gonna sit it out for another day in the sun. So it'll get a second, like the oils would be more stronger. So like the smell, and it would smell better. So we're gonna let it do that, and then we're gonna get a coffee filter and then drain it into another mason jar. And then you have your oils done. So also, a couple uses for the peppermint oil. You could use it as a hair oil. There's a lot of medicinal uses. So goodbye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Happy Prepper out.